Welcome back guys again. This is Abdul from AMJ series team, and actually today we are going to look about JavaScript. What makes JavaScript more important? JavaScript is the universal programming language across the web. But not only that, but also JavaScript is great when it comes in fundamentals of web development. So today we're going to see how JavaScript it comes in an important part in web development. So follow out this video. Also, we are going to look the top 5 reasons that makes you learn JavaScript in 2020. Follow this video across. One thing that I'm going to tell you guys, the job market of JavaScript in 2020, and that is the biggest thing that makes JavaScript really important across the world, universal. So as you are a student, let's dive in this. Number 1, front-end web development. JavaScript lets you add a ton of more functionalities to your websites, and you can create a lot of basic web applications using nothing more than HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. JavaScript is used to create and control things like maps that are updated in real-time world. The example of maps is Google Maps. We can see how Google Maps uses, and also various websites out there in various platforms. We can see how maps are used in there, and those maps are built with JavaScript. Sites like Pinterest uses JavaScript heavily to make their user interface easy to use. Google. Wait, do you know how the search engine of Google works? The search engine we all know and love uses JavaScript for front and also back-end web development. That is the power of JavaScript. Number 2, mobile app development. We all know and hear that mobile is the future, and both Apple and Google have incorporated JavaScript into their mobile development toolkits in order to extend their developer base. Those who can code in JavaScript will be in strong demand for the future of mobile-enabled applications and websites. Number 3, game developers. Yes, JavaScript is also a valuable tool for game developers. Games are big business in today's world, and developers who know JavaScript have that extra advantage. The language power and ability to use creates visual effects, make it a perfect fit for game developers. Number 4, JavaScript is easy to use. When we say easy, it doesn't mean that it will be very easy for you to learn, but it is unlike other languages and other programming languages such as PHP. The learning curve of JavaScript is smooth. This makes JavaScript an excellent language for beginners and makes them easier for them to learn JavaScript. Number 5, the job market of JavaScript. In the USA, United States of American job market has ranked JavaScript as the 3rd most demanding programming language with 57,000 job positions. But not only that, but also Medium.com, the website that shows out job trends report, the job market for JavaScript developers has increased. It says that 1 million more jobs than candidates. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics in 2010, there were over 900,000 software developers jobs posted. And when we look at the curve over here, we can see that 1 million more jobs than students by 2020. The curve shows that there are 400,000 computer science students and also 1.4 million computing jobs. That makes $500 billion opportunity. So from 2011, the job market of JavaScript have increased, and from 2011, the computer science students having also increased. But all in all is that job market of JavaScript is all high, and that makes JavaScript more important across the world. Okay, those are the 5 reasons that makes you learn JavaScript in 2020. Thank you guys for listening out this video, and I know that and I expect that all the top 5 reasons you have understand them well. If you have any question, comment down in our comment section. Consider subscribing our videos for getting the future videos. Thank you very much. We like your support. We like all you guys. Thank you and welcome back on our channel.